Tired of boring kitchens and slow cooking routines? In 2025, smart kitchens are the new normal, and today, we're counting down the top 10 kitchen products that are transforming American homes. Whether you're a home chef or just want to make cooking faster and easier, this list is for you. Stick around till the end, because product number 1 will blow your mind. GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. Everyone loves soft, chewable nugget ice, and this compact countertop ice maker delivers it fast. Smart features like Bluetooth scheduling, self-cleaning, and sleek stainless design make it a top pick. Perfect for parties, summer drinks, or everyday use. Always Pan 2.0 by Our Place replaces 10 traditional cooking tools. Saute, boil, steam, fry all in one. Non-stick ceramic coating and eco-friendly build. Ideal for small kitchens or minimalists who love multifunctional cookware. Tumbler-style electric knife sharpener. Keep every kitchen knife razor sharp with zero effort. USB rechargeable, compact, and easy to use. A must-have for every home chef. Trio Chef Maker Combi Fryer. A next-gen air fryer plus oven plus sous vide combo. Auto-detects food type and cooks with precision. Great for healthy meals and busy weeknights. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker. Make your own soda or sparkling water at home. Save money and reduce plastic waste. Easy to use, with one-touch carbonation. Comes with BPA-free bottles and refillable CO2. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug. Keeps your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature for hours. Great for busy mornings, Zoom calls, or work from home setups. App controlled and available in multiple sizes. Simple human sensor. Trash can touch-free operation with motion sensor lid. Sleek, stainless steel design with odor control and liner pocket. Keeps your kitchen hygienic and modern. Revolution Instaglow R270 Toaster. Smart touchscreen toaster that perfectly browns bagels, bread, waffles, and more. Custom settings for different food types. It even shows a countdown timer and food preview. Meter Plus Smart Meat Thermometer. Wireless and app-connected meat thermometer with guided cooking. Perfect for grilling, roasting, and precision cooking. No wires, no guesswork, just perfect meat every time. Samsung Bespoke AI Oven with camera and smart recipes. This is the future of cooking. AI-powered oven with internal camera and smart recipes. Detects food type, adjusts settings automatically, and lets you monitor via phone. You can even live stream your food cooking. TikTok chefs will love it. So there you have it, 10 kitchen products that are changing how we cook, eat, and live in 2025. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you found something cool, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more kitchen tech reviews, and check the description for links to all these products. Happy cooking!